Hey guys, be sure to follow my new Instagram, Marspeed_official. It's a good place to send me questions and it's easy to answer them all in one place. Alright, hey guys, so if you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that I installed some new headlights recently, and it was kind of a pain in the ass because you have to take off the front bumper to get the lights off. So today I'm showing how we did it and all the steps needed to hopefully make it easier if you need to change your headlights or take off the bumper for any reason. So at first I tried to do it with my girlfriend and it was just taking too long, and the bolts, just couldn't get some bolts off, so I went to my uncle for some help. And we actually had to do it twice because the first time the headlights were a little too far apart from each other. So basically you might see a few different people in here and some different stuff. But overall, I'll make the steps all in the right order and easy to follow. So hope you enjoy the video. The necessary tools for this job will be a panel popper, 7 and 10mm sockets and a ratchet, and a power drill would help as well, and a T-30 Torx screwdriver. First off, you have to open the hood. Now under the hood you will find 6 to 8 rivets, and I had 2 7mm bolts as well. The rivets are a 2-piece design, so you have to try to use the panel popper to pry the middle part out first, and then the rest comes out easily. Now in the wheel well there are 3 7mm bolts and 3 rivets. Some chargers will have more rivets than the bolts. Remember to do both sides. I will only be showing one side. Going under the hood, there are 8 to 10 7mm bolts under the front bumper area. Make sure to get the ones on the sides as well. Next, directly straight up into the wheel well, you will find one 10mm bolt on each side that must be removed. This next bolt here was the hardest and most annoying to get to. You have to try to peel back the wheel well lining as much as possible, and we had one guy looking to make sure the other guy was actually on the bolts because it's mostly just feel and very hard to get out without looking. And also this is a 10mm as well. The final step before taking off the bumper is to unclip the corner light off the headlights and unplug the bulb. Now you are able to unseat the bumper and take off the fascia. Just make sure to unplug the fog light harness if you do have fog lights. Now for taking off the headlights, first you have to take out the 3 T-30 Torx screws that hold the headlight housing in, then unplug the high beams, low beams, and signal lights from the housing.